Good morning, Jireh Family Farm here. So we purchased some piglets the other day, about 8 or 9 of them. And out of the grouping, there were a couple of them. Actually, there was one that was gimpy, meaning that its leg was, while it was a baby, either its mama sat on it or it was injured somehow, and its leg was broken. And so we know that we couldn't get that pig to maturity. So talking to the breeder, made the decision that it's probably best to take the piglet, and utilize his meat, even though he's young, because he would not be able to grow up with this leg that's gimpy. So today, we're going to dispatch the pig, and we're going to do a small pig picking. So Makayla, what are we here to do today?
I'm gonna shoot the pig.
Why would you do that?
We're gonna have a pig picking.
Wow, okay. Table's ready. Water's getting hot. Oh, so what we just did is we're splitting it, and Camille, our aspiring veterinarian, is working and doing a little bit of anatomy. So she is clearing the membrane slowly without hitting any organs.
All of these organs are satisfying because they're so much bigger than the chickens.
That makes it satisfying.
Yes.
That's a kidney.
And so this is the large intestine, this is the small intestine.
Stomach. Liver.
Those are the big livers.
Yeah, pig liver, but we don't eat that. Lungs here. Heart.
I think the pancreas that Camille was just touching.
What's that, right there?
No, back, down,
This?
there.
Oh, I thought that was kidneys.
Oh, there's the kidney.
There should be another one on the other side. Okay, so it's finally 6 hours later, and it's about time to eat. Everyone's gathered around. We have some cornbread, we have some pinto beans, we have some vegetables, so we can get cracking.